Mame Mao Akwaba and found Bragan and Sam TV GH so what friend me Adjoa searching.
Sanse no say day students no ye no aduane ede mom no ohaw ne tomato kakra aba hunti ahwe yi a na ebia wo mu ekọ akotwam anase wo mu ntimi nkoso a eno aduane emma ye nkola ya wo mu ewo under free senior high school day students na ye no ede aduane ede mom no eno ede na wotwetwam no wotem say yes into Osha a modern Ghana and a year story way if you can go to modern Ghana and I say call Google now what type of one hot meal policy for day students under threat me pacho woba quote me akoshe na working kind for yourself no who say no so no ewo ho anase eni ho a enedie one hand no bi akokase ye boy semu na kasem entino. Let me read the story, a bit of the story for you. Or say the implementation one hot meal policy for senior high day schools is under serious threat as caterers demand outstanding arrears, threatening to stop feeding the students if the government fails to pay. The one hot meal for day school is a challenge now because the caterers are threatening to stop feeding the students if their arrears are not paid, says the Conference of Heads of Assisted Secondary Schools, CHAS. According to the conference, the feeding grant for the perishable and non-perishable food items for the policy had been in arrears since June 15, 2025 and urged the government to expedite action for the release of funds to alleviate the dire situation facing the schools. The conference made a call in a communique issued on the sidelines of the 63rd annual conference of CHAS held between October 6 and October 12, 2025 in Sunyane. It may be a way a teacher for empany for senior secondary schools head teachers any assistant head teachers womun shemu dia etoso aduosia miensa womu kwaye ewo Sunyane na weekend na mo Sunyane na mehuomu soso na eno no na womu edekrata ababonten se efri busumi ensianum afi mu busumi sia the month of June ebesi over the weekend ya omu adwumade ni ewie yenom caterers womu no aduane emasa ankola enom perishable and non-perishable goods aban adiomu ka tese fi be match re be nyina no eba besi June eba besi na yedi nkomo enum sika no enko enti ama womu no aduane no ebo aban kokko se wosre mu a se abaya anya bibia ni manim ya no ama betua musika ama omu a anya dia wo betimi akosoa anu aduane no na se wo ma ntimi ankosoa anu aso dia na head teachers no wo mu se ye beto abai mampani da John Dramani Mahama enei wanya akwanya bio abaye Ghana mampani ebe hye achechefo ne mpanifo no ebo se wo mu kra no aduane a wo mu no ema nkwala no wo mu bemamu api ado asiso yese wo mu bemamu aye che de edi teacher ni yaba na yama osika na se aponcho nkwan na apeso obo edi masuku for na wo wakodi udwa na wo be no ama omu se rere nkwan so a my favorite the rere no ase na shikakra no eno so a na wo bo rere nkwan edi ama nkwale se ya be nkwan a kotoko coach bi oba krom ha oba wi abe nkwan sa yimse razundike edi be dom na be nkwan na wa ya ba omu na nso de nyina no Ghana for etie wie no baby ababiri ni se chance for HS one hot meal policy for day schools it is under threat na yababa abehwe last week oten so say national health insurance and also no they say almost system network enya problem bi into kwa cash and carry one for sika and to wa na je say a doctor for ebegyina wo so ana say ayaresa wo kope no wo metimi ayede ama wo na aye bibio ho na eno so no yebedi eho ankomo but my mention
this is what I mean bomb pay say be ya John Dramani Mahama e be for don time branko be oyuso onwie na onya atumi no na wo senka wo dan na chintem na ko stand for kwan bi so because John Mahama ni pa obetimi I stop Kwasiafo we wouldn't get here because John Mahama have only one term. And after one term, only be headache be on the bed and say next election. They already there on our really there Kananga. And John Mahama have too many powers to stop these people. Charlatan law acquired parliament for almost 20 years. Yentimi will be my name past ensign because of these people. Also, Bempa, Kikan someone na you na time, Kikan was some. And then I feel the letter was say IGP. Nana never go for my IGP. I will bring a cooking to any agad that could be Sabi and Yamra 7 and Quasiasem. None you will feed him. The real Fiso could be Quasiasem. Bema can think I was so yes of war. Now that don't win him. Now to me to from my friend Crawford King, Jimmy. And to me, I'm more who say, we are man of God. And you can use your power and your spiritual prayers to fight against Agrada without going physical. Papa and to me, who say yes, and Agrada there. And he went there. Jimmy Fo went to me, who said, Obifia Okoro, a threat. Bema or bad midnight BT. You continue to move here. Was sent a nab one funny to me because on a bomb pie man buy or bra. Nikokro Mutia Bako. And the Padoma got to Abano. Nanado and now no problem, no me do on which. Because on no bomb pie man and go for sorry, echo to about not being judgment. And people believe. And Nanado saw it earlier. Said this guy is fake. Wait me at sorry for so many years. As your caliber and could now tell you now as of them. Abesis your sword nine or Buffalo no be never and sorry be sorry. As your time, me tea would be and your net over 30 years in ministry. Won't me say sword nine. President for minus can see a sword nine. What bottom? What do you mean? You are first on your man is against yes or MPP become your enemy. And now, who said to me, sorry, Ebe scammy, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia? And the Raphael, Sao and Quasia Bushum for him, Quasia Jimmy Samono. Say what the one who buys on any court. Hey, Jimmy, ya, now, quiet. Later, Anna was buying a can say, Cramoni, and on a she me can't crack on the Usubempa. The first day I hear this from your mouth, that day I begin to hate you in my heart, and I will never forgive you. I'm telling you. That day now be a one can say you name. Name a cramoni bedi on my gun as well. That day you become my enemy. I'm telling you. Say you name a cramoni bedi on my gun as well. What mine the basis see any no my because and I'm so white. This man I also form back. Because no be me say me can if free that day and I came out boldly. Fight against him. And menene koyama afeto me be no ni yi 101 obi a oni mi page na aguno o ma je no unu so no o su bempa sam ona o report me yeah o su bempa ena me ko Mahama sam George no ana ma je mi page no any kere Japan yes se me mo obi afa ni out o ma kere me se me tata ana mo je mi page no one no tiri mi ko tena okay FM e ko di matam na mi ni tena mi di na tem bi dia na say wono ahye no enti o me agi mi page no na essence ye mba boso me nwotwe ene bie sa channel we ni ti no ana ma say bie fufuro enti say report we so no won sanye uwi a ene na o magina enkosi adekye no na ma say bie da o baka say o ba report o ya report o so o magi mi microphone so no me mixers no, me computer no, and me phones. Catch up so many nine come and when they bet me stop me. Apart from that, there is nothing I bet me change me. We know. And what me say nya da je babon team akukuduro so. Sambe can say MPP enya ma power. Mokai. Na adan ya ye to ba we you was so ja. E dia to MPP mu. So bi akai. Wono se was so ja. E dia to MPP mu. Enti se yen ya ma ne nchen ya. A me panichewa. Ija ne bedesa. Anu je na so dem no phone ho sa. Anu jimi sa. Ni abagine so. Ka. Ale yo iko si wusu. Jimi. Wa jimi ya ogusu jimi. E wa so dem o. E pa to ija no afedi ija na dum. Osu bempa. Ija no wadum no ana enu adum. Sure. Say mo trust di me say, yeah, sometimes you to assess something in your mind. Why just relax and think. Me say crofo we enemy nyame. Prayer kin man kire. Ade bie ni we wi ase. Ai ti mempai boy adwuma. Eye kroye. 1 2 say oni obi wo problem. Obi ohu obi ho adwembone. Obi ho ya wo mu. Don't go and pray. It won't work. That is the key. Before you go on your knees to pray, the only thing you can say, the only thing I will bet me aye, and they say, me I want me problem no friend me. The only problem friend, just make peace. And for be once them punish show to the muta. Obi wa dene just forgive. If you reply your request, have friend the pan. Catch and say ni. Na je wo the financial one from just settle and go and play. That is the key. Be ni ho bi we beti me bi kwa ma. Asa. Bibi ni ho. O patra afa hour 4 hours. Me wa woni me yaka. Me ho adwenboni wo tirim. That place is bogus. It's powerless. It's useless. And ko bia and when tu beka say ba bomba ya ba nyame ntiu. This is the key. And one and no be enya asem. Obi tawam just forgive and forget. Obi ye wade just forgive and forget. These people I'm telling you with my confidence. Me see me no man nanti me jina pulpit and me preaching for so many years, and I know what I'm saying. Me see me ya p I sika free one obeda. Me tie say me ye ma say me beti ministry say see ah. You'll be surprised. Say me na me tie asa. So if I'm telling you something, if you joke and you think I'm joking, over to you. You can go anywhere. They will scam you. Busa, I say how many years now they will be pachi. Busa, how many years now they will. Why do you bet me a year ma what? It doesn't mean say on one. 10 years. Be now be go through in favor be. When you ma go through. Then that moment, you know, then na ko crash. Na de ko no ko kai, na ko crash. Na boom. We view. But that favor na that when you mo home ma with that. But I didn't ask them to share. And you think say on wow. On your God, one day over so no go. Was ye making us a meal, maybe a 2 phone book we. Matrewin. Or be catch and say, I was here you. Say, MPP dear. A dear why MPP no. And yet dear bit me power be with that. Say your money na see. Say power pa dear. Na ono se nipa bi aye ne bone enipa bi ken kwasase ma kire no party no enti se enkofo ni nanti ano no saa ne so wo no wutumi enti ne Sunday enura no muntie de wasan bekan afre de wasan ba ne se MPP ye mistake no mo ye ni last time listen to that enkofo we kasa na se wa nya botra ntia o say MPP ye mistakes no mo ye the last time no a na sa o ma anya careful they will stay opposition forever. What but damn? We are Jimmy for pa. Because we are boa papa. Una oba advice here. Munti do kan you. Obi a onra. O si MPP ba power biem. John Dramani Mahama so afra no nsam yenu obeko 2 times. And then osomum yenu Bibian say just 9 months. And he came back and say, what did you to MPP when I just go to Nasi? Obian go to Nasi. So why are you come out and ever be catching me as committee? I say I'm changing and no be a year no. It means you are powerless. Your mistake be a year. You see, now he came back for normal senses, no, ever try and say, mistakes be a year. And my co-opposition. What about MPP leadership? Please listen to me. Imagine about the kind of mistakes be. It means he don't have powers. Nemo it mistakes. And my cause our opposition. Say it me to two sides in the year. You see? I think so. Be about yet me to two sides in the year. MPP will come back. Meanwhile, one say what na yen so on no choose president. Without him, nobody can be a president of Ghana. You remember all this kind of useless words that he said it in public. I have all these videos, and because of some see video, and then me go to pe. No wechena. This week in Namenen Nebeko. Me onya be ka ba akwa me katen anse me jano jano me ye no we ya be ka ba akwa me ne be ko ni se ya nyonyo e bia de make wadwe ba so one single person or say today say tomorrow which is which and nedie obi a oso odi jatu yemu no afraid they will see mistakes be a year, no. See a nyaya. See a idea. MPP big number power. We want access from spirit, you physical. And also when you nipa. Then who said, we anyway, a couple of bit may say, it's psychological, no, why you should track, no, they are frame. Oba saw them why. No, I say, no, the oil good form, no, I say, no, I ain't kunya, no, I ain't Jimmy Sam, I say, my soul, Monko, a 2 and 2. No, Hanaka, make us some way, some kind of Biamwa, no, Chen to say, Ebeka Bena, Ochino, me Freya, no, Biam, Fimi. This is the kind of trick. Me who ye, once a plane got to hear a pen about one thing. I mean, who ye, me friend, this is from 24 will be in Fimi. Me, I want your Mahama number. Oh, what's a major number? You can go there because now your mama's special card. You can go there physical anytime you want. Mahama mama cars. And then who ba be catch MPP say ye jade ye na. What the woman go ti no can sem bi twatuo enu tina me yere ha. Say we ya obekan ye ba be ye no ntiampa me ba be ye won na muntie o obi a wo se wa ben me tie me ye powerless na me ni tumi bia na ono no so nyame wo sra wo no so na wo so wa ben e wo ade o say de obaye na ontimi use that powers no to destroy your life, to charm you anymore. Nemo, he will come physical. And he and his boys will come physical and insult you back. So now, it's between me and your boys. Me mobi bia we come into make me and no numa ken kwasem bia mpapi a kire.